Hill ranges of Peninsular Plateau. The hills ranges of Peninsular India. The hills and mountain ranges of Peninsular India are important for their ecological significance, as they are home to many endemic and endangered species of flora and fauna. Peninsular India is a large landmass in the southern part of the Indian subcontinent that is surrounded by water on three sides: the Arabian Sea to the west, the Bay of Bengal to the east, and the Indian Ocean to the south. It comprises the Deccan Plateau, a large elevated landmass that covers most of South India, and is bounded by the Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats mountain ranges to the east and west, respectively. It is known for its diverse geography, rich cultural heritage, and unique biodiversity, including tropical forests, wildlife, and numerous rivers that flow through the region. About the Peninsular Plateau of India. The Peninsular Plateau of India, also known as the Indian Peninsular Plateau, refers to the flat tableland that lies in the southern part of India and is surrounded by the oceans on three sides. It constitutes one of the 5 physiographic divisions of India. Along with being the oldest landmass of India, it also holds the distinction of being the largest physiographic division of India. Features of the Peninsular Plateau of India. Shape. It is roughly triangular. Its broad base lies at the southern edge of the Indo-Gangetic Plains. From here, it tapers downwards up to Kanyakumari. Extent. Its northern boundary is an irregular line running from Kutch along the western flank of the Aravallis to areas near Delhi, which then moves roughly parallel to the Yamuna and the Ganga up to the Rajmahal Hills and the Ganga Delta. Boundaries. It is surrounded by hill ranges on all three sides. In the north, it is bounded by the Aravalli Range, the Vindhya, the Satpura, the Barmer, and the Rajmahal Hills. In the west, it is bounded by the Western Ghats. In east it is bounded with Eastern Ghats. Area. Peninsular India is the largest physiographic unit of India with an area of 16 lakh square km. The area occupied by the Peninsular Plateau of India equals almost half of the area of the country. Composition. This old tabular block is made of schists and Archean genesis. It is regarded as a stable shield that hasn't had many structural alterations since it first formed. Slope. The peninsular block slopes mostly from west to east. This is the reason major peninsular rivers, except Narmada and Tapi, flow from west to east and drain into the Bay of Bengal. Elevation. The average height of the Peninsular Plateau of India is 600 to 900 meters above the mean sea level. Major hill ranges of Peninsular India. Aravalli Range, Vindhyan Range, Satpura Range, Western Ghats, or the Sahyadris, Eastern Ghats. Significance of the Peninsular Plateau of India. As the oldest and the most stable landmass of the Indian subcontinent, the Peninsular Plateau of India carries many significances. Mineral resources. The plateau is blessed with large quantities of mineral resources like iron, copper, manganese, bauxite, chromium, mica, gold, etc. Coal deposits. The region contains 98% of the Gondwana coal deposits in the country. Agriculture. The region is covered with black soil which is found suitable for the production of several crops such as cotton, tea, coffee, rubber, millet, etc. Forest produce. Being replete with forest, these areas are an abundant source of forest produce like timber, etc. Rivers. The rivers in these areas offer great opportunities for the generation of hydroelectricity and provide irrigation facilities for crops. Thank you.